Hey everybody, it's Christina of Crafty Paws. I wanted to come on and share with you guys a DT project that I did for Jamie's Not Too Shabby Shop and let you guys know that tomorrow, March 20th, Friday through Sunday, so that's the 21st, 22nd of March 2015, Jamie is going to have a flash sale. Almost everything in her store is going to be 10% off. There are going to be some things that I think are going to be even 15% off. I think the Whimsy stamps. So go check it out. You can combine these sale prices with my DT code, Crafty Paws, all in caps, and you'll get 10% off of already reduced sale prices. So that is a deal you don't want to miss. The project I did is a little card, and I used this super cute Stamping Bella Valerie bunny stamp, and I just think she is so darling. And I did this card, this little spring card, that is my spring entry into Melissa Cooper's spring challenge. I'll also put a link in the description box to Melissa's challenge video. If you guys don't know Melissa, she is a real sweetheart and she does awesome coloring tutorials too. Anyway, I just started with a craft card base. I use this scrap of pattern paper that has these really cute flowers. I paper pieced her dress. I used a little bit of scrap paper left over for this back panel here. I used a Martha Stewart punch to get these little loops at the top and the bottom of this back little pattern paper panel. Ooh, say that 3 times fast. And I decided on top of the card I was gonna make this little tag, and I paper pieced, like I said, her dress and her little jacket. And if you'll see here, I also colored underneath so that the ears could curl forward. I thought that was really cute. And I also made the pom-poms dimensional. Ooh, this pom-pom fell off. I'll have to go find that. But I put these little tiny pom-pom balls up on foam adhesive, and I think that looks really cute and adds an extra little bit of interest. I added different ribbons, this Be Happy ribbon, this sheer green ribbon, and this hot pink ribbon that I thought matched well with her little bunny fur jacket. And she's hopping up and down here. I used basic Copic colors, but I will list all of those in my blog post when I get that up. And I added one of the little Michael's crochet flowers with a little blingy center. Really simple. And then inside I added another flower with another bling center, and then added some pattern papers that I used on the edges of this tag. You guys might not notice this, but this is the first time I have ever not had to fussy cut out a Copic colored image. And I'll tell you why I think that is. Not only because I paper pieced a lot of it, but also because this drawing is kind of loose. It has kind of, because of the movement that they're trying to reflect, it's very loose. So even if you go out of the lines a little bit, it doesn't really look like a mistake. So I really love this image, both because it's darling and because it's really easy to color. So this is my card. Melissa, I hope you like it. And you guys don't forget to check out Jamie's shop this weekend. Flash sale. Take advantage. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.